y'all, it's Marley with Sunset Properties again. I told you I'd be back with another deal, and we are here at Gulf Village 106. This is an efficiency unit located right on the beach in Gulf Shores, and I'd love to show y'all inside. Come on. You open up in the living room and the kitchen. As you can see, there's plenty of space for your people, and here in the living room you can watch TV and enjoy being at the beach. And then you've also got your kitchen over here, and a nice dining room table for all your people to eat dinner together when you don't want to go out. And right back this way is going to be the bedroom. It is an efficiency unit, so it's not actually another room, but it is separated. And then you've also got your bathroom in here. Now, this unit is super cozy, as you can tell, and our deal for this weekend, you've got 3 nights, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and it'll be $600 even. You just text or call the office and let them know you heard about this deal and that you want to take us up on it. But y'all go ahead, look around a little more.
Where's Marley? Found her.
I'm sorry guys, I can't get enough of this weather. I couldn't even stay in the condo. So y'all need to take us up on these deals. Come down to the beach, because what better way to spend it than in this beautiful condo right on the water. Y'all can walk straight out in the sand. You need to take advantage of this weather and the deals that we got. I cannot wait to see y'all down here. Remember, text or call us at 251-543-1370 or email us at info@sunsetproperties.com.